Hi everyone! Today we will talk about the benefits of working with team templates and how using a team template is like using a blueprint for your brand. It can help you have brand cohesiveness and build a strong brand identity. You can access your team templates by using this design and video dropdown and then choosing My Projects. On this page, you'll be able to see all of your recent projects, and if you come up to this Team Templates tab, you'll have access to your team folders as well as your team templates here. Let's say you want to create a new design, but you want to use this template as your blueprint. Simply click this three-dot icon in the top right-hand corner, and then choose Clone. A new artboard will open up with the team template. Now, this won't affect the original team template. This is an entirely new design, and you can make any changes and build upon this template with photos, animation, resizing, brand assets, and more. Using templates is a great way to keep all of your team members organized and on the same page about your brand identity. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. And check out our other videos to see how Simplified can help you simplify all of your brand needs. See you there.